Why this girl? Eh? You may make her come sit here or some. Why?
Hello. Meba. I'm quite sure I'm She dress here.
Called you. You told me you are coming, but still, it's 12:14.
Hi, babe.
Hey.
Oh, what's up?
You made me ask you come sit here for something.
Oh, the frat.
My friend that was a Oba.
And I'm meow.
Yeah, and I want you to be Anna.
Oh, David. Ah, what's my fault?
Oh, my matnas, I mean, say, give me a come and then you couldn't go more.
Ah!
Oh, yeah, me channel because man, you were keeping me waiting, you understand? So,
oh,
I saw the girl standing there.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So, like, let me kind of see this here. I did. Person can do coffee. So, I can go Bobby. Because why didn't I? Because I know me, I tire. I go job, sir. I tire self. So, person can be doing do coffee and then can be go Bobby man and I don't know.
Ah.
You feel it? You feel it?
I feel it. Is that a sweet boy? Or I'm not seeing what. Wow. He's with another girl. I can't believe this. Wow.
My girlfriend, she no date. She no date. That's why I'm in my first side chick. So what I say? The uncle I was with you and coming in your heart and Bobby mom. That's what I say. Okay. But you're looking stunning, you know, you're looking oh, give me this, make her say something. Make her see. Damn. Let's go.
So all along, my boyfriend has been cheating on me. Like really? He's with another girl. Okay. No problem. We'll take it from here.
way is going to be fire. The way I go feel fire you, I swear.
Sir?
I have a lot of money. Did I give you some money?
No.
Really?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna come make a check where we are sitting, okay? Yeah. Should I leave my money? Is that not my girlfriend? Where's she going? Oh. Okay. Really? So she even hung the call up on me? Okay. Hey. You know what? Just go home, okay? I'll give you a call, alright? Okay. Me for why? Emergency be. SCC or say me koshe. Why? To the mefro. Aye, mefro. Why? Why? To the me ba. Why? Hey.
I'm not even young, sir. Like really. A guy I trust so much. So all along he's been cheating on me. Hey, that's for men, yeah? Anyway, that's fine. Hey, you're not smart than me or me, Accusations, Gynel. Anyway, we'll all play the game.
My girlfriend. My own girlfriend.
I'm so tired. I have to step out and then find something to eat. Oh.
Hey, baby boy.
Hey, baby.
How you doing?
So you're coming here, you never call me.
Of course, I wanted to surprise you.
Oh, wow. That's so nice. Wow.
How you doing?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm fine. But why are you stepping out?
I'm feeling so much lazy in the house, so I want to walk around.
You want to walk? It's taking a stroll?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's fine. But I'm here, so what do we do? Should we go inside?
No. Let's hang out.
Oh, come on. Let's just go inside.
Oh, really? I've been indoors for a while. You know, I'm so tired.
So where should we go this hot afternoon?
Maybe this place.
Maybe which place?
Okay.
Maybe which place? Let's go.
Hey! What is wrong with you?
Who is the hey?
Huh?
Is he talking to you?
I do know you.
Do you know him?
I know.
Do you know me?
Are you asking me if I know you?
Hello. Oh, someone else is standing there.
Oh, really? Gynel! Please, I didn't come for you. Please, I'm here because of her.
Okay. So what's brings you?
Oh, really? So upon all the things I've been doing for you,
Really?
you dare to cheat on me, right?
I see who is talking of cheating.
I feed you, I clothe you, I even buy your panties. And you dead cheat on me. Huh? So all the money I've been giving to you, so this thing standing here.
Hey,
hold on.
you're calling him a thing. Excuse me.
Man.
Baby, relax. Let me deal with him
Who are you
myself.
calling?
Excuse me. What did you just mention? I've been what? Oh, you think I don't know what you've been doing all along?
What am I doing?
Excuse me.
What am I doing?
I saw you with my 2 eyes. You've been cheating on me since.
Me
You think I wouldn't know?
cheating on you.
You think I wouldn't know?
Where?
And God being so good, I saw you in your book.
Oh,
You
come
were
on.
just right under that tree. You think I didn't see you?
Which
hold
tree?
On. Hold on.
Excuse me,
you
you're
mean-
coming to call him a thing. Look at him.
He's a cheater, right?
Of course.
And you are coming to call her. What sort of name are you?
Cheating on me. At least cheat on me with someone who is
Did
more
you think
classic
about
than
what
me.
you just said?
Gynel,
Really?
Did you think about what you just said?
Let your conscience.
You are cheating and you are
start
calling
working.
my baby that she is cheating.
can you cut the crap? What's wrong with you? Who's your baby?
Oh, wow.
Who the hell is your baby?
You hate
That's
him.
my girlfriend, okay?
Excuse
You better stop.
Hey,
I don't want to get mad at you. Don't
Excuse
tell
I'm
me.
even mad.
That's my boyfriend.
I don't want to get mad at you, okay?
Go.
Where should I go, man?
Forget
Where should I go, man?
Hey,
You can't.
Olivia.
You can't. Fuck. What the hell can you do
Leave
to me?
here before I
You
lose
can't
my
do
temper
anything to
on
me,
you.
man. You can't do anything to me.
Relax, sweetheart.
All right,
Relax.
Hey, akwai dai obi aso. I don't call him wife sense me.
I'm cheating.
Yo, see.
Gynel.
You've
Hey,
been
hey,
cheating
hey,
on me.
hold on.
I have nothing to
hey.
do with you.
Hey, Gynel. Thank God you are
Take your
here.
slap dirty out of here.
What's up?
You know what I'm saying?
Can you imagine?
Hey.
Do you know that all along I thought Sweet Boy was my boyfriend?
I know.
He has been cheating on me.
Can you imagine? Have I
Come
ever
my
cheated?
God.
So
girlfriend,
good. I was actually on my
cheater.
way to town.
What about you?
And I
Calm
saw
down, calm
him with another girl kissing.
That's not true, man.
If it's not true, let's talk like
That's
man
not
to
true.
man.
Man, calm down,
Relax.
relax.
Tell her something, bro. Tell her something.
Relax, don't talk.
Ya but today, I said you walk me pray, walk me too. Gynel,
Yes, darling.
oh, first time I hu ni ana say what who be come be.
That's
No,
what
this
you
is
see
my
been doing.
first time. I didn't even know he's been
Earlier
cheating.
to aso bebrebe because every
Oh,
more
God.
man here.
Now look at you.
Now we are papa
guy
plan
like
musu.
you.
Akwasi.
Shameless guy like you.
Where Jimmy Anna?
Sweet
But I
boy.
see your face.
Where madam for?
Let's just
What
go.
banana be cast and tell me that asama ba can no.
Crazy. Next time.
Gynel.
Next time.
Gynel.
Oh, Gynel.
Gynel. Tell her what the hell you doing?
Gynel.
She's taking my girlfriend away. What is wrong with you?
Ya na you be see alright.
Gynel.
Actually,
Gynel.
so Gynel. Hey, say the bra ko wiam no. Hey. Say the bra ko wiam.
No, where Jimmy Anna?
Hwe.
Huh? Why do you not take?
The be am too for winti.
They be
nim nyansa.
a bro code. Me no brotherhood.
We na there be minim say a bro code there ba me am say that we make what to.
Where come out to say?
What dim kwase asama che we wiam a. Na bro kuma abaya na to kaka no.
Charlie.
Oh, you know, diasa.
My friend Gynel family call boy. I don't know so about me call me PB. And I'm here and I'm afraid yes. So when you're the umbrella I can come in Bobby. What I say, me say Gynel whom you. Me say one whom say what me. And say me ba on so me who say on so any be my foforo ababa be share wa say no.
What where who no. What je de be we abey wakoma. On so be won wakoma wura. As your man.
Debi Gynel ye me makoma.
Why wakoma so ade. Ana dia sanso ye wo den.
Debi Gynel.
Oyo bo so ade. Ebo a. Wo nya
Ba
ho
what say? What ba list wo de me nua no kabi ma me so Gynel say.
Yanko. Bro code we dey o dey fa dey no dey no. Asiwo. Unya ho hwe. Me. Na nyo obi ama na ama.
What can we atwa so?
Matwa so dey kwai.
What can we atwa so?
Kokko.
We are mebo.
Me se ko. Tawsumo.
Kasa ye.
Me to man madai.
O say kasa ye.
Me to man madai.
Ah, kasa na say kasa ye.
Unim na do sa wo mani a me zone won. Tawsumo enso.
O to nyom sa ye.
Ensiwo.
O to nyom sa ye. O to nyom sa ye.